discuss. Is it a DSA one, right?
Right, DSA 1.
Hard level.
Right.
Okay, so let's discuss let's start with one problem. Okay. So you have a given two arrays. Okay.
Okay.
Both the arrays are sorted. Okay. So you can see in your chat section, this is the array one. Okay. And this is the array two. Okay.
I can see only array 1. Okay.
Yeah, array one and array two. Okay. You can
Okay.
see that both the arrays are sorted, right?
Right.
What you have to do is you have to merge these both the arrays. Okay.
Okay.
Such that the new array should contains only the unique set of elements and it should be also sorted. Okay, so let me type the output format, output array as well. Okay, so this is the output. You can see in this new array which is also sorted, right,
Okay.
and it is not containing any duplicate set of elements. Okay, so two things you have to handle it. The new array should be sorted, and then the second one is it should be sorted array.
Like
Write the Java code.
okay, it should be sorted and contains only unique elements.
Yeah, you can use any code editor. Okay, no issue on that part.
Okay. I'm using Eclipse. It is also visible, right? Eclipse.
No, it's not visual. You have to share entire screen.
Okay, just wait. Now Eclipse is also visible.
Not now. Uh, just wait. Okay.
Okay. Like okay, wait.
I can see only the screen.
Wait, let me share it again. Now?
Yeah, now it's visible. Now it's visible.
Okay.
So you got the requirements, right? Question requirement. You are
Yes,
clear with
well,
that.
yes, I have two arrays, like there are two arrays given, and I have to like so two sorted arrays are given, and I have to merge them into a single array. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And that single array should contains only the unique elements.
Yeah, input and output format, which is also be an array. Okay.
Okay. Input and output
Yes.
format should
Yeah.
also be an array.
So you have to take care it out.
Okay. Mm. Okay, so static int one two.
Would you like to discuss your approach first, or you are starting with the coding?
Okay, I can discuss the approach as well. Okay, so what I will do initially is like that I will take two arrays and that are already sorted. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just simply compare both the things like the value of array 1 and array 2. I will simply compare both the values and I'll put the element into another array.
Like in the merge shot.
Yes, I'll take the approach of merge sort only. Right.
Okay, then how will you handle the duplicacy? Can you just
Like for duplicacy, what will I do? As
explain
you
it?
have already told, it is sorted. Okay, so I will check the previous element that I have put inside the new array that I am constructing as an output. Okay, so I'll check simply if that too well, if it is repeating, then I will not add that value to that new array. I'll just skip it. Like that is the approach that I thought.
Okay, so if the element is repeated, you will not add the particular
Yes,
element in the array, right?
right.
Okay, just continue with the code. Okay, and do fast. Okay, you have only 30 minutes to solve
Okay,
this problem.
just 30 minutes for this particular question or for the whole session actually?
Yeah, I just continue with the code. Okay.
Okay. That array will contain 0 or not? Hello?
Yes,
Will that array, that two given array, will contain 0 or it will not contain 0?
it can
Okay.
contain.
Okay.
And one more thing, length of the array 1 and array 2 cannot be same or can be same. Okay, so your logic should not be depend on the length. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Actually, the only thing that I just caught right now is that, my array will contain zeros in the last. So I will be like not displaying them at the time of output. This is what the sudden thing that came up in my
No,
mind.
no, no. It can
Otherwise,
contain zeros.
no, zeros in the sense like I created this array right now with the size of both the arrays. Okay, now it will contain duplicate element as well. Okay, so in
Yes, yes,
that
yes.
scenario, what will happen? One space will be vacant at that time. So that is the
Right,
thing
right.
that I just came up with. So initially I will just like not print the last zeros. Okay. But to overcome that, I think I should have used like set, I think sets. Yes. Set.
But output should be in
I
array
should
format, not
continue
the set
list.
format.
Right. So what will I do? I will just convert the like, list or set, both will be fine. And then I will convert it into array and then return it.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right.
But I initially I've written whole code in that way. So I'll just work accordingly. Answer of k minus how it will go. It's done.
Okay, so why you are displaying 00 at the end?
Yeah, I'll just handle it one. Just give me a
It
minute.
looks like 00 is the part of the array, but it is not the
Yes,
part
yes,
of
it
it.
is not. Like I told you, na, because it is containing some extra spaces. Just wait, I'll just handle that as well.
Hello?
Hello, am I audible?
Hello?
Hello, am I audible or not?
Can you hear me, Sandhya? Uh,
Am I
but
audible?
I can't hear you.
I don't know what is.
Hello? It's
Hello.
odd. Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, I think it's just the wire just got loosed up or something. Just give me a minute. I'll just handle that as well.
Okay.
Yes, I zero and five. No, this is 24793. It is according to the input that you have provided. Okay. Suppose if 0 is also the part of that array. Okay. Then I will check for the last element if it is 0 or not. And then I'll just break it if it is 0. Because as it is sorted array. Okay, never mind it. I'll get too confused with that. Hello? Hello?
Can you just scroll down?
Okay.
Just wait now. Yeah. So you are checking if go up. where you are handling the duplicacy approach
See,
condition, where you are
see, see here if k is, okay, sorry, here I'm handling. Okay, if this the previous value is equals to the current value. Okay, then I'm just like remove like not considering that particular element as the part of the answer array element.
array one element. Go up, go to your code,
Okay,
go to your array 2, just add 11 comma 11 in the array 2,
11,11.
comma 11 one more time.
Okay,
Can you run?
yeah,
So 2479 comma 11 comma 13,
13.
right?
Right.
Okay. Can you scroll down one more
Okay.
time?
Like, should I scroll more?
No. Okay, here you are also checking. Okay, got it. K plus plus I plus plus. Okay. Go down, go down. Okay, so can you tell me what is the time complexity
For
for this
merge sort,
problem?
excuse me. For merge sort, I guess it is n log n. So that would be the time complexity for this as well. But here I'm not actually dividing it into two parts. I'm just merging it.
Mm-hmm. See your while loop. While loop is running till
Till
array 1 of size and array 2 of size, right? So
right. So it's n plus n.
n plus
N plus n.
n plus n. It's
Like
n.
n and m. N for
N
like
and m.
n for this because it
Hmm.
is running particularly for both of them. Right. Okay. N plus m. Good. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. I'm really sorry. I just mixed up two things. Okay. Yeah. It will be like it will checking. It will run through all the array elements. Right. So
Mm-hmm.
it will take n plus m. So like I can say a constant of n. We can say n or m, combining them both, or big O of k. We can say like n plus m.
And what is the
Should I
space
suppose to?
complexity? Okay, what is the space complexity?
Space complexity will be also like I'm creating a new array na, from both from two arrays. I'm creating a new array, so it will
Mm-hmm.
contain extra k spaces.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be big O of k as well.
Okay, so let's move to the different problem. Okay.
Okay, like if I just says
So,
anything wrong, na, just like just point it out and just tell me that I'm wrong at that side. Okay, if it is fine with you, you
the
can just
time
tell me the
complexity
last
will
as
be
well.
order of n plus m. Okay.
Yes, n plus m, and I'll combine it with k. I told you, no, like n plus m
Hmm.
equals to k. So I'm
Okay.
taking it order of k.
So, mm-hmm. Got it. K is n plus m, right? You mean
Right.
to say.
Yes.
Mhm. Okay. So you have a given one binary array. I can say the sorted binary array. Okay. So when I
Okay.
said binary array, it means it contains only 0 and 1. Okay. So you can see in the chat section, this is an array which is sorted binary array. Okay. Now
Okay.
what you have to do, you have to print the frequency of 1 present in the binary array. So here you can see that the output will be 3 because the one is repeated
One
three
is
times, right?
come.
So
Yeah.
write the Java code and the time complexity should be log n
Okay.
for your solution. Okay, so you got it right. If array
Yes.
contains all the zeros, then the output will be 0 because no zeros in that array, right? No
Okay.
ones in that array.
Okay. Frequency of one and array. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, done. Okay. The one that you gave array is empty array equals to.
Okay, go down, go down.
Okay, just a minute. Sorry. This is the one that you gave. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm running it. It's printing 3. Okay.
Okay. Can you just test your code with all the ones?
With all the ones. Okay.
Yes.
It's printing 5.
One, two, three, four, five. Okay. So in line number 26, what you did, can you just explain me what is
Okay.
this condition?
So I'm initially like what I am doing, I'm taking the middle value and I'm checking one previous value with it. If that previous value is 0 and the current mid value is 1. Okay. So then I'm returning the mid. So in that scenario, what is I have found the middle part, this part.
Mhm.
Okay, and then I'm returning its value simply, and then it will be returning the value of mid. That is mid value is right now this one. Okay,
Mhm.
it will return here this, and I will subtract this with the whole length of the array. So it will give me the answer. Okay, and this condition here,
And why you have added if array mid is equal to zero? Why you are checking with the zero? You have to check with only the one. Okay.
no, actually here I'm checking if mid value is 0, then what will I'll decrease the search range.
So
Okay,
have you
so
ever so in the binary search have you ever uh, wrote the condition array of mid is something different apart from the target? Target means the elements which we are looking, right? So your whole the approach of the binary search is depend on the target value, right?
right.
Not of the other values. So why you are checking with the zero? You have to check only with the target value. Target value is what here?
Like I can
One.
do with this one also. If the mid value
Yeah.
is
So
1,
just
then what
check
will
with
I'll
one.
do? I'll just change this, like swap this,
Yeah, yeah,
because
just do that.
okay,
Do that. Okay.
okay,
You
just
cannot take the zero because it's not required.
I understand your point, what you're saying, because the main approach of the binary search that you are saying is that we have to work with the target value, right?
Target value, right, right.
Because I guess that is particularly thing that no one has ever mentioned to me for like for frankly to speak with you. So that's why I've never ever thought that
No,
that
no,
particular
no
thing is
issue
that
on
way.
that part. No issue. But here you have to only the focus on the target element that is one. Okay. So that's why I'm asking. No issue
Okay,
in
no,
that part.
that is actually a good point. I'll keep that as a note, and I'll just like remember that thing, because you have just pointed out the most correct and accurate thing. Because the whole thing of binary search is that we are searching for a particular target.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Okay. Can you just test with your array with the all the zeros?
Okay. Oh, it's showing 1
And why it is showing one?
because I'm returning the value of start, and I'm like taking the whole element here as I have to return a start -1 should I return, and here array dot length -1. Like hopefully this should work for that. You know, just like give me a minute like to debug it.
Okay, sure.
Like I'm returning the value of start, and suppose this is the scenario. It will never get into this. I got it. I think I should rather, if it didn't find anything, I should return a 0. Okay, then it means it doesn't contain any 1. Okay, and here I will do int frequency of 1 equals to control X, control V, frequency of 1, frequency 1 equals to 0, dot out dot
So do one
try.
thing. You can handle it later after the interview, Sandhya. Let's move to the different problem.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. It is just over.
Yeah.
Just 1 minute. It's just over. Just finished it. Now it will work well for 0 as well. Okay. Okay.
Just add one, only one. Yeah, now run it. Just add two, three more zeros.
2, 3 more zeros.
Yes. In the array, line number
Okay.
13.
Line number 13. Okay.
Two, three more zeros. Yeah. Now run it.
Frequency of 0. It will return the middle value. Else, I'm missing something because I have to return the value of start only.
Okay, no issue. You can look into it after the interview. Okay, I have sent you one more question. Okay, we have to discuss
Okay.
that one as well. Okay, so just go through that and try to solve it. I have sent you the question link. Okay.
The largest subarray with some 0. Just have to complete the function maximum length, which takes 2 arguments, an array A and N, where N is the size of array, and return the length of the largest subarray with some 0. Okay. Fine. Is to 2.17 maximum length. Okay. Can I use pen and paper as well to like just manually do the the
Okay,
working?
okay.
Okay, just give me a minute.
Do
Right.
fast. At least come up with the approach. Okay.
Okay, okay. It's too difficult to work like this. A equals to 15 minus 2, 2 minus 8, 1, 7, 10, 23. And this string you have to come up with the largest array. See if I start checking from here with here, it will give. I'll have a maximum value as 0. Okay, I'll take the 0 initially, then I'll check with this 2, then with this 2. 15 is already greater and minus 2 can further resolve. Decrease the window size. If I take the sum, what will be the sum of all these things? 15, this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. This whole thing would be 0. And if I do like this, नहीं, इसमें डबल होगा ऑर्डर ऑफ एन बोला है ऑर्डर ऑफ एन ऑर्डर ऑफ एन ऑर्डर ऑफ एन नहीं होगा क्योंकि ऐसे ऐसे करना पड़ेगा और मैं अगर एक एक को लेके सेव करना चाहूँ तो भी उसका वैल्यू कहीं ना कहीं बच जाएगा ओके सो what else I can do and take an array at the size can I use map okay I'll take that sum and max length then I'll run through a loop how I am gonna take that value it is not that it has to be an increasing order Well, uh, I can use a map. Okay, let me try it with once with that. Okay, I'll take a map. Dash map, mapping. G, integer, equals to new hash map.
So, Sandhya, can you just tell me your
Actually, what
approach?
I am doing, I am taking a hash map, okay, and then I will like constantly like add on to the values to the sum, okay, and then what will I do? I will check the value of sum. What is the sum value? Okay, if if any at any point I get the sum value as 0, okay, then what will I do? I'll just increase the I'm creating this maximum value, maximum integer, right? So I'll just increase its value, okay, and then I will check where I will check if the previous hash map value with the previous hash map value, okay, like it is a raw approach
Mhm.
because I have to run it before I can like surely tell you like this is the exact solution, okay. So I'll take, okay, and I will just get the previous element which is present in the hash map, and then I will check with the previous element. If there's a no elements present, then I will like directly put the maximum value into the hash map. Okay,
Okay. Okay, so
and
got
then
it, Sandhya. I got your approach. Okay. What you can do, you can try to finish it after the interview. Okay. So
okay,
let's wind up this session. So I will
o-
update your feedback after some time. Okay.
okay,
Do you have anything
like
which you want to discuss?
like anything that I need to like be more, you know, I have to improve. Like because one thing that I know that I'm really bad with like the sub array things. It take me a little bit of extra time to just like calculate all the things. I don't know why, but like can you just tell me like something which I can do so that I can increase that thing, like to solve the hash map, like to solve the sub array problems, because I
So
literally
you
like
can practice
extra time.
you can practice some more problems based on the Savary like window sliding techniques. You can also use to solve this to solve the Savary's problem. This problem can be solved in a different way as well. You can so here you can see that the find the largest Savary with zero sum. You can give the sum as a different like it's not a zero. It's you can take the sum like 3 or 4 like that. Okay, so you can modify this question for your better practice, right?
Okay.
And you can find out the pair, okay, which has the zero sum, right?
Okay, right.
So
Like for that array one, I just got one more thing. Like whenever I'm taking the input, I can just simply like if it is of 0 and 1, like I can simply just take some value and just increase it. It will give in the very less
yeah,
time.
the second one you have also like checked that where you
Yes.
missed the
Yes, because
so
I just
where
just
you
it
Mhm.
highlighted here and just my mind got this and like the three of them present and the answer is three. So why I am doing a hard approach when I can solve it in an easy way? Okay, I'm really sorry I wasted a lot of time on that question.
No issue on that one.
No, because that thing was in mine no, because I have to solve it using searching and sorting. So like that thing just came up in my mind, and I can solve
Mhm.
it in an order of n as well.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you, Sandhya. Thanks for your time.
Okay,
I
like
will
any
update
feedback
your
for
feed.
me, like
The action item is that you can solve the problem, the last one and the second one also. You have to check your approach where you missed it, why it is not working for all the scenarios. Okay. So you have to also figure it out and just try to solve the second problem. Okay. And submit it on the portal and just check that whether your solution is accepted or not. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Thank you.